One popular accessory on tool modules and new modules is a center aisle roller shutter. Great for ensuring you've got this whole area that you can secure when you need to. Now, these roller shutters are made of anodized aluminium, so they're super tough and they'll match any Juco. They come with a seatbelt style strap for pulling it down. And then it's a key-lockable latch, as you can see here. So completely secure. And this particular customer has specified aluminium panel to plug the gap there. That is removable so that you can slide items in and out of your aisle when you need to. So there we have it. It's a rear center aisle roller shutter. Feel free to book an appointment with a Hidrive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be keen to understand your trade and ensure your fit out is fit for your purpose for years to come.